Hi, thanks for coming by. My name is Lisa, and today I am a special guest at Angie's house.
Aloha, y'all. It's your girl Angie. Man, it's been forever since I've been on camera, but my girl Lisa, as you can see, has motivated me, inspired me to get back up here. Plus, we have some goodies that we want to share with you all. So, without further ado, let's do back of the days real quick.
Yeah.
So, real quick, I'm carrying my Chanel Petite Timeless Tote that I purchased off the Real. I want to say like last year time in beige.
And I am rocking the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in the 1854 print. Just gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Just gorgeous. Love this bag.
And it looks good with your jean skirt.
Thank you.
Very cute. All right, so let's start small.
Yeah.
I'll start small.
Okay.
All right, so I went and treated myself for Valentine's Day, y'all. I am on my self-love journey, and I'm continuing this thing with Chanel. So I'm gonna make this quick because I'm excited to just be opening this stuff up. So I will tell you guys, I was showing one of my friends, and he doesn't understand the importance of unboxing correctly. So he literally ripped the ribbon off and all this other stuff. However, so bear with me. This is not your typical unboxing, but I do want to share with y'all, and I have not used it. So here's my ribbon that he ripped off.
Boo.
Boo. Yeah, exactly. And then here's all the goodies in the inside, the booklet, some more ribbon. And then I got my cute little dust bag. And I saw this on Instagram. One of the ladies that I was following, she had posted it, and I was like, oh my God, I gotta have this. And then literally like the same day, my essay was like, yeah, I have one left. So this is it. I don't know what it's called, but it's super cute. And there it is. So
nice.
It's like a card case / pouch, and it's black caviar. Goodness, with gold hardware. So that's my girl. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Isn't she cute? Yeah. I love it. I'm excited to use it, but then I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to use it.
Oh, the zipper's like butter.
Yeah. It's perfect.
It is.
Like that's definitely like a one-all. Like I can do everything with that.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, you want to go next?
Oh, okay. And I will start with a Louis Vuitton item. I went into Louis Vuitton and got a sample and fell in love, and I was coerced by Kim of Wingfire 69K and my SA.
Hi, Kim.
To try out the travel set. And this is the new Shooting Star Etoile Foulard. I think I'm saying it close enough, but it's called Shooting Star Etoile Foulard, and it smells like heaven in a bottle. God, try it. If you haven't had a sample, go get one. It's amazing. And I really wanted to try the travel set, so win-win. Definitely. Definitely win-win.
That thing smells like candy.
Yeah.
All right, we're already here. So, y'all, I seen this on Chanel.com, but before that, I had seen it on Instagram. You guys know Instagram, all kinds of stuff be flashing on there. And I am a logo lover. I'll say that, just lack of better words, right?
Yeah.
And this bag, I have a Chanel. My only Chanel classic flap that I have is my cute little pink one back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. But I have just been like, I'm not in love with the classics. Like, I love them for other people. But for me, like, I like a smushy bag and not so structured sometimes. I'm just all over the place. And then I kind of fell in love with the Chanel 19. But you guys know the Chanel 19, the pricing just continues to go up. And so, I don't know. When I saw this, I was like, this is the perfect one. So, here's my receipt. And unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I don't really care, but they ran out of boxes. And so he just gave me a dust bag, and I was like, this baby is coming out as soon as I do this video. So, booklet here. Beautiful black dust bag. Oh my God, this is real. Oh my God. Michael hooked me up. Look at this. He's like,
that's
girl,
nice.
He's like, you don't got no box. That's okay. We're going to wrap this paper around it. So, oh God, I'm super excited. Okay. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You know, everybody gets here and they do it all gentle.
Yeah.
Forget
Yeah.
that, I don't care.
It's like,
another one? Right. I thought that was it. So, oh my God. So these, as you can see already, the chains are way bigger than normal. Oh my God, this is all, oh my God.
It's beautiful.
This is just, you guys, wait till you see the freaking chain. Like, the chain is like so, like, the show for me. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Oh my God, it says Chanel. Oh, girl. Look.
It's gorgeous.
Oh my God. Oh, maybe I'll take this home. God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Angie, that's gorgeous.
This is butter, y'all.
That is gorgeous.
So this is her. I don't even know what she's called. Like, maybe on the something. I forget what the name of her, what she is. Here's all the tags. I don't know what she's called, y'all. But she's on Chanel.com right now. But it's lambskin. I don't know. What you think, Lisa?
I think you should let me borrow her. Isn't she cute on me? Isn't she cute on me?
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful.
She is beautiful.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah, I think you should let me borrow her. Because look how good she looks on me. Look at
And
that.
She does look good on you. She just looks good. Better on her mommy. Oh my God. It smelled. Did you smell it? Oh my God. It smells so good.
Mmm.
And it feels like butter.
Yes. That she does. Oh, there we go. Beautiful red on the inside.
Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, I forgot what she looked like on the inside because she'd been in the box and I didn't want to open her until we did the unboxing.
You know what I love? Other than the Chanel on the chain,
I love this
on the inside, there's no hook. There's just that ribbon, that covered ribbon.
Yes.
I love that too. That is just gorgeous, girl. Ooh, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you add her to the list of stuff that you don't let me borrow.
Gorgeous. Oh my God, y'all. So this checks the block for me for classic Chanel flap.
Nice.
I'm good on Chanel, y'all. Like, I love Chanel, but how many times do you see a chain like this with the actual verbiage Chanel on it? Like this, I'm good. So
that's a flex.
So bad, Miss Lisa.
Girl, awesome. All right, now I feel bad opening my little funky bag. I'm like, jeez. It's a piece of gum. Nobody needs to see it. It's like, oh, awesome. So, now that we're slumming it back to the bottom of Chanel, jeez.
Come on, I'll sit.
Look here, girl. So,
it's nothing like a black Chanel box.
True that. True that. All right.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I had to think about it. I was like, what is this?
And to reveal, I was with my friend Jack, and he definitely twisted my arm into the Chanel brooch.
No, you didn't tell me you got a brooch. How pretty.
Isn't it?
Oh my God.
You know what? It was the perfect size.
It's a great size.
I didn't want that huge
big
one.
Yeah.
Because, you know, that thing is like,
it's
too big.
Yeah.
And this is just
that's perfect. And it's dainty. It's not too big.
It's perfect.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh. Ooh.
So finally, I got a Chanel brooch.
Are you going to wear it tomorrow?
At work?
For Valentine's
Oh, Valentine's Day. Yeah, probably would.
That would be cute.
Yeah, around the house.
Right. I'm wearing this bag tomorrow. In my pajamas or not.
Exactly. Oh my God. Yes.
Well, we're blessed.
Yes, very.
We're blessed.
And for transparency, I have had this box for a week, but I just, you know, wanted to wait for an unboxing.
Perfect.
Isn't she pretty? Oh my God, Angie, that bag is gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
That's a flex, girl.
Well, y'all, first I just want to say thank you for being here and watching our video, and hopefully you enjoyed opening these goodies with me and Lisa. We had a great time. So hopefully you guys have a wonderful weekend. Even better Valentine's Day if you do celebrate. If not, just love yourself. Because that's the best kind of love. So.
Exactly. You know what? If you cannot find someone to be kind to yourself, because it's so important right now. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Aloha.
Mahalo, y'all.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's. We out.